Hello, my name is Emily Cortez, and this is my semester math project. About the student I worked with is currently in third grade. Their math interests include area perimeter, multiplication, and division. Their strengths include geometry, counting, and mental math, and their area needing improvement is multi step word problems. The standard I chose was solve two-step authentic word problems using addition and subtraction within 1,000, including equations with a letter as an unknown. This is perfect since she is in third grade and it is a third grade North Dakota standard, math standard. The math game was tic-tac-toe word problem. Basically, you work with a partner in order for you to put an X or an O, you have to get a word problem and solve it correctly. The manipulative I used was a virtual based 10 blocks manipulative website. On the left, you can see the tic tac board, and on the right, you can see some example problems that I used, some challenging, some easier. Then you will see a video of her explaining to me her thought process of the word problem and then showing us how she used the math manipulative and the steps she used to answer the word problem. Okay, so first we're going to start by grabbing a word problem from the stack. So you can grab one. And now, can you read that to me?
Ashley spelled 38 words. Josh spelled 12 more than Ashley. How many words did they spell altogether?
Okay, so can you explain what that question is asking us?
It's asking us basically how how many how many words they spelled altogether. If you but first you have to find how many words Josh spelled.
Okay, so what pieces of information do we have? What can we pull out from that word sentence?
Ashley spelled 38 words and Josh spelled 12 more.
Okay, so what are you planning on doing? Let's take some time to think. Think about your plan and then let me know if you have a plan.
Okay. So I'm thinking that first we can find out how much Josh spelled, and then after we could take our answer and then we could put it together with Ashley's, and then we'll get our answer on how many words they spelled altogether.
Okay, so right now you already have a plan, and we're gonna use the base 10 blocks manipulative right there on the computer to your right, and that will help you solve the problem. That way you can use the visuals to help you solve the problem. Good job. Can you explain the steps used to solve for this problem?
First, to solve this problem, I added 3 tens to signify 30 from 38. Then I added 8 ones for the 8 in 38. Then I put equals 38, so I remember that this is 38. Then I put 1 tens to signify the 1 10 in 12. Then I put 2 ones to show me that means 2 in the tens from the ones. And then I start to count 38 plus 12, and I got 50.
Good job. These are some pictures I took of her using the virtual manipulative. I don't know if you can see it that well, but on the first picture, she was barely starting to get the hang of it, and on the next one, she had completed it, was about to complete it. So I would say from my reflection that her thought process went really well. The way she explained to me the problems and her steps that she was going to do, I think that went really well. What didn't go so well was the virtual manipulative. I think it's a great resource. I just think as like her, she was really new to it. I think it just took way longer than anticipated. And I would really do differently next what I would really do differently next time is have a physical based 10 blocks. That way it's easier, it's physical, they see it and it's way faster. And what did my learner struggle with? She did struggle with at first making sure that a problem was multi-step. She always thought that a problem was multi-step, but I at first I gave her like a base question just so I know her areas in how she works with word problems, and she thought that was a multi-step. So then she just figured out what word kind of words multi-step problems have and how to recognize them. And then she did overcome these struggles, and at the end I made sure that she was able to write a multi-step problem for me, and that was a green light for me, saying that she understood it. Thanks for listening.